Welcome back to This is Fintech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into AI tools, trading bots, and fintech innovations, make sure you subscribe, where today we're diving deep into the world of AI trading bots and the sophisticated algorithms that power them. You've probably heard about these bots making headlines for their lightning-fast trades and uncanny ability to predict market trends. But have you ever wondered what exactly goes on under the hood? Let's break it down. First up, the basics of AI algorithms. At their core, these algorithms are designed to process and analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns that are invisible to the human eye. They use historical market data, real-time feeds, and statistical models to forecast market movements. But it's not just about crunching numbers. These algorithms are constantly learning from their successes and failures, adapting their strategies for future trades. Now, you might be asking, what kind of data do these bots feast on? Well, it's a smorgasbord of information ranging from price and volume data, news articles, economic indicators, to even social media sentiment. This data is the lifeblood of AI trading, enabling bots to make informed decisions at a moment's notice. Speaking of decisions, let's talk about the decision-making process. It's a complex dance of predictive analytics, risk assessment, and lightning-fast execution. These bots can analyze market conditions, predict the potential outcome of trades, and execute orders within milliseconds. This speed and efficiency are what give AI trading bots their edge over human traders. But here's where it gets really interesting: the role of machine learning. Machine learning allows these bots to evolve, learning from market patterns and adjusting their strategies accordingly. It's this ability to learn from past performance and adapt to new information that makes AI trading bots so powerful. And finally, the future trends in AI trading. We're looking at a horizon where bots not only make trades, but also autonomously develop and test new trading strategies. Advances in AI could lead to even more sophisticated algorithms, capable of understanding and reacting to market sentiments in real time. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the algorithms behind AI trading bots. From the data they digest to the decisions they make and the future that awaits, it's clear these bots are not just a passing fad but a glimpse into the future of trading. As technology continues to advance, who knows what capabilities these bots will possess? One thing's for sure, the world of trading will never be the same. Before you go, make sure you join the Fintech Bot-Focused newsletter. You'll get updates on new bots and AI features, strategy breakdowns, my honest takes on what's working, early looks at new automated trading tools, and you can reply with video topics you want covered. The link is in the description. Join the community and stay ahead of the automation curve. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Trading, especially automated trading, involves risk. Always trade at your own risk and test everything before going live.